Acha nikuoneshe how you can create a simple network in Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is a program that you can use to learn computer networking. What you can do with Cisco Packet Tracer is that you can create a virtual device. So for example, kitu kama router, you don't need to go and buy a router. Hakuna haja kwenda kununua kitu kama switch, hakuna haja kwenda kununua kitu kama firewall. You can create a virtual device inside Cisco Packet Tracer, na unaweza angalia pia vile a network ina work. So you can look at vitu kama services like DNS, DHCP vile zina work inside a network, all through the Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is how it looks basically. So uko na controls zako zote hapa, for example ya zoom in and out of your workspace. And we also have two types of layout. Tuko na logical na tuko na physical. Logical inaka something like this, and most of the time utakuwa unatumia logical. Physical pia inakupatia a physical topography ama a physical layout. Utaona vile hizo devices zako zimekuwa layout. Hapa chini tuko na the devices, everything that you can work with. So we have network devices kama routers, we have switches, hubs, wireless devices like access points and all that. We also have end devices, zile devices utakuwa unatumia kwa network yako, vitu kama laptops, desktops, servers and all that ziko pale. We also have connections. This is why you can use something like Ethernet cables. Everything utakuwa unahitaji to work with ziko hapa chini. Now let me give you an example here. Let's create a small network. So we'll start with the router, of course. Take a router to pale, and then we are going to put another device. Router utakuwa unatumia to access the internet ama the public network. We also need a switch. Let's put a switch pale. So switch itakuwa inatusaidia to connect all the devices zenye ziko kwa network yetu pale ndani. And then we are going to put the end devices now. Tutaweka PC moja pale, another PC and another PC, and then we're going to connect them using cables. Tutaenda pale kwa connections. Tutachukua automatically the cable type. Leta hapa, chukua that cable, connect it to your switch, and then tunahitaji ku connect the switch to our end devices. Tutarudi hapo, tutachukua the first one to our PC, take the other one, chukua weka hapo, and then let's take the third one. And just like that, we have now built a simple network in Cisco Packet Tracer. So there's more to this, of course. There are a lot of things that you can do in Cisco Packet Tracer. You can start anytime, and trust me, you will love it. If you have any questions, piga pale kwa comment section. Like this video, share as much as you can, and usisahau kusubscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.